Oh my god. Ikea. This is the first time I'm ever gonna be here.
Oh, pet adoption day.
Oh, can we adopt a pet? Yes.
Yeah, no.
Oh, we have too many.
Yes.
Yes.
We have
But there's
5.
Which places like the one over by
In 600 feet,
Holy goodness.
is on your right.
We get it, guys.
It's on our map.
It's on her. Well, we know where the entrance is because there's a big thing over there that says entrance. Ha 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 ha. Where is that?
oh good to have cards.
Yes.
Cards.
Cards, yes.
Cards. So we look for first.
The one. This one right there.
Look. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Dimple face. Oh, you've been tired. No, okay. Dimple face.
No.
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 No. No. No. Okay.
No. No. No.
Lucas! You having fun? You? You? Yeah? 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 Okay, good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Again?
Again. Aw.
Is that what you said?
Oh my god.
Okay.
So all we need to do is eat. Right, Lucas?
See, adjacent to Dell Diamond AAA base off field.
Dell Diamond. Oh my goodness.
Make a U-turn and Tellender Drive.
huge.
Then the destination is on your right.
Bispa.
Is that too much ice cream?
He is not going to sleep. Maybe next. I just got back from Bucky's and, you know, got stuff. And I'm going to be doing a vlog later on, but I'm tired. And stuff, and I got some candy, so I want to go eat all of that. So I'll see you guys.